So as an indie developer, how much time do you spend, do you think, adding new features versus adding bugs? Have you got a sort of structured, almost like Jira-like board you'd get in a professional company, or are you just super chilled out?
I have systems. They're not necessarily as sophisticated as you might think they are. So one of the things that I do is for each of my apps, and this is going to sound terrible, and I apologize to anyone who does project management, task management, bug tracking.
Don't worry,
anything.
It's between you, me, and everyone else on YouTube ever, okay? That's it.
Yeah, he glances at the number of people watching now and watches his career go on fire. So I have basically a text document of notes for each app. If I think of something, I write it down. If somebody emails me with something and says, here's a problem, I'll write it down in there. And the document's got various sections. So there's like a sort of, known bugs, kind of to-do, long-term to-do sort of ideas and things like that. And so I'll kind of, when I'm working on a new version, what I'll do is I'll sort of look at the things, the ideas that I've had and I've written down. I'll look at the things people have said or bugs, and I'll try and come up with a sort of, here's a rough list of the things I would like to do for this release. And that obviously changes over time and as things come in. And if it's going to be just a bug fix release, then it's more of a case of like scan the stuff that's come up and the stuff that's come up a lot, and prioritize those fixes, things like that. But it's not I don't have these extensive bug databases and tracking everything to a vast degree. It's more kind of this is a step up from when I did all this on paper, which was up until like 3 or 4 years ago. So
okay,